to my channel Today Things. As you all know, we have started LeetCode 50 series where we are going to solve 50 SQL problems, so that will definitely help you to solve any problem solving skills. So LeetCode we are using, so that is a wonderful platform to solve any numerous number of problems. So that will help you to upskill your problem solving skills. So now we have covered almost, we have came to an end. 43 videos we have covered till now. So now we are in the 44th video. Only 7 videos are left. So now all videos are related to advanced string functions and regex and some particular clauses type problems. Only very simple problems. Let's go solve these problems in a very quick way. So 16 67 is the problem number. Fix names in a table, so maybe rejects kind of problem it is. Fix names is is the problem name. Users names are there in the users table, which is having user ID and name of the table. User ID is a primary key, which is a unique value, and name of the user is there. Name consists of lowercase and uppercase, both the characters is there in the name. They're asking us to write a solution to fix the name, so that only first letter is uppercase and the rest are all the lowercase. So see, names are is not in order form, so we have to just fix the first character should be uppercase and rest of all lowercase. That should be order with order ID. So this is simplest code they're asking. This is like this test cases you can see. The users table is having one user ID and second user ID. So Elise and Bob, some misordering of names is there. We have just fixed that names by making the first case as uppercase and the rest of all are lowercase. So this is very simple. Just go to the query window. Let me just write with a simple select. Start with a simple select. Select. We have to get a user ID, and then name of that user, right? So that is name. Okay. So that is name as name only. Name as name. From which table? From users table. So they are asking one more thing is that is order by, that is user ID, right? Order with user ID. So this is the things they are asking, but name that is not on order, right? So we have to make it as an uppercase, right? So how we can make it as an uppercase? The first letter we have to make it as an uppercase. So the concatenation, first we have to append two things, right? So we have to add uppercase and lowercase letters. So that is upper of name comma lower of name. Lowercase means lower kind of thing. We have to concatenate these two, lower and upper of names. So what should be lower or upper? Name, left part, right? So left part we have to take from name, that is left name comma one. So that is first left item. So left of name comma one we have to make it uppercase, and then lower, what we have to make it lower, that is the right of name, from right minus one, right? So, sorry, right of name comma, from last, right? How we'll get from last? We get by length, taking length. Okay, length minus one. Length of name minus one. We'll get uh, last. I mean all the letters till last. Okay. So by this we can make all this into a lowercase. Okay. Concatenate means it will append both the things. Concat of upper comma lower. Name we called as well as name as name. So brackets left of minus one, and then that is will be an upper comma lower, right of name of length of minus one. This is right, and then lower. Okay. So this is looking fine, right? Mm. Yeah. Let me just run this. Very simple problem. So we are order with the user ID from users table only. User ID concat of upper of left of name comma one. Okay, and then lower of right of name comma length length length. Okay, okay, length of name, right? Name minus one, length of name minus one. Now it will be fine. Yeah, now it's accepted. So it is previously like this, now it is output is fine. So this is how we can solve similar problem. I'm just submitting this. Let me know in the comment section how you have solved this problem in another way. How you can easily solve this by following another method. Let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.